Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Wells Fargo's mobile sign up or add account not working. If sign up or adding an account stalls, it's usually a verification or input issues, so fix it fast. Ensure you are not reusing an email or phone tied to another WF account. Turn off any VPN and use mobile data if possible, or just make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app runs or operates smoothly. Then enter personal information exactly as your bank records, name, SSN, etc. If the app flow freezes, open a browser and enroll at wellsfargo.com. Next, confirm any verification email or SMS before retrying. Tip: if you see your user exists, use the forgot username flow instead of creating an account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.